Hi, I'm Roy Aubrey from Haval Edenvale. I've owned the GWM franchise in Edenvale for over 16 years now. So I've watched the product from Great Wall Motors grow from the early Sailor Buckies through all the generations of Steed, right through to the P Series that was launched just over a year and a half ago. And it's been a wonderful journey, and the Buckies have improved incredibly over that period of time. The P Series was designed for Great Wall to take on the world market. So they had a look at all the double cab vehicles out there, and they've built a Bucky to compete with the best in the world. And the Bucky, it's been wonderful. You know, the Bucky with the number of derivatives available in South Africa, and it's been very well received in South Africa. I think it's a combination of really nice aggressive styling linked to the fact that it provides really class-leading SUV interior comfort in a pickup vehicle for the first time. But the one thing possibly that we didn't have in our lineup, which we're very excited about now, is the launch of this. This is the LTD. So Great Wall has embraced what the South Africans like. It's the big outdoors, and they've developed a Bucky that's specifically designed for the off-road purchaser. So this vehicle comes with a number of features that set it apart from the more luxurious offerings in our lineup. So I just would like to run through a couple of them so you can see what differentiates the vehicle. So first of all, there's a whole lot of styling elements and a few off-road elements, and then we'll get into the more technical stuff. So first of all, in the front, you've got this blacked out grille over the new front bumper. Now the front bumper replaces the traditional soft plastic bumper with a heavy duty steel unit. Behind that is a factory fitted winch. Behind this cover is a place where you plug in the control for the winch, and then the hooks up between there when it's not in use. So from the factory with a winch. Okay. The next thing here is an off-road snorkel. So the reason for the snorkel is that when you either go wading the vehicle into a river or something like that, it keeps the level where the vehicle sucks in the air into the engine. It keeps it away from the level of the water. In addition to that, when you're creating a whole lot of dirt in the off-road conditions, the fact that it's sucking air here, it sucks cleaner air into the engine, thus improving performance and not clogging up the filters. The vehicle, in addition, has got these nice big plastic moldings that are unpainted durable plastic units, so they won't get scratched when you driving past bushes and that kind of stuff. It also comes standard with the Cooper off-road tire, so this is versus a highway bias tire that the other vehicles in the range have. This is more an off-road thing. It's not the hectic off-road derivative that you can buy aftermarket that gives you a lot of road noise, but it's a very nice middle of the road tire that will give you very good off-road ability. Okay, then working our way down the vehicle, most leisure pickups come with a plastic running board that gets damaged on the first time you take it off-road. This car has got a solid steel rock slider type running board, so that even if you do catch rocks or anything like that, it's not going to damage easily, and it will also prevent the vehicle from getting stuck. Okay, then it comes with a nice set of stylized roof rails, a designer roll bar. I must say this is more decorative, but I think it looks really cool, and if you put a tonneau cover on or something like that, it really sets the Bucky off nicely. Then in addition to that, it's on the rear, it's got a similar heavy-duty steel bumper and with towing hooks, and it comes tow bar ready from the factory. At Haval Edenvale, on all our LTDs, we're going to provide as part of the package a full tow bar. Okay, so over and above that, so you can see the Bucky is a really nice 4x4 type application. You know, it's got the heavy-duty bumpers, the rock sliders, the winch, running boards, all that kind of stuff. So like it's really been designed specifically for the off-road. Okay, in addition to that, the four-wheel drive system is different to that on the traditional four-wheel drive units. So let's just jump in and we can have a look at that. Okay, now on the inside of the P Series, where it differs from the rest of the range is here we've got what I would refer to as the terrain response four-wheel drive system. So this rotary dial, you change from 2 high, 4 low, and then also it's got additional modes that if you're just on a sandy road, if you're in slippery conditions or whatever, you set it to the correct mode over here. Okay, then in addition to that, over here, we've got switches for the diff locks. So you've got a front diff lock as well as a rear diff lock that are electronically controlled from the console. Then it's got what they call tank turn. So there's a button that you press here, and what you do is, should you be turning left and you're in a very confined space and you need to get the vehicle around, you press a button, it locks the left rear wheel, and the vehicle will basically rotate on its axis to assist you in maneuvering the vehicle in tight off-road conditions. It's also got off-road cruise control. Generally cruise controls in vehicles deactivate when you get down to a low speed, whereas here, if you've got the cruise control activated, it then knows it's in an off-road condition, and you will be able to drive on the cruise control at very slow speed. So you can set the cruise control, let the vehicle drive at the pace that you've dictated, and then look where you're wanting to drive, put in, activate diff locks, activate tank turns, and make sure that you've got the vehicle positioned for the obstacle that you're trying to get over. So in closing, I think as you can see, it's a wonderful place to be. It's a super luxury vehicle. Comes with all the traditional P-Series traits that we've come to, that the South African consumer has really taken to, and that we expect from P-Series. And in addition to that, it's got all the off-road tech. So if you're an off-road guy and you're really wanting to use a vehicle for trips up and around Africa and really go into the bush, this is the truck for you.